Good morning everyone. We are the student of DAV Public School, Pratap Vihar, Ghaziabad. Myself Sahil Singh from class 9.
Myself Daksh Mahar from class 8th.
Myself Harshit Mishra from class 7th.
This is our project Seawater Purifier. We have taken the marathon pillar demand and the problem statement is to innovate to provide ease of doing small businesses. Now let me introduce my friend Harshit Mishra to explain the structure of this project.
I am Harshit Mishra and I will give you a brief description of this project. The basic idea behind this project is we will convert seawater into a filtrate water which can be used in our household works. As we very well know that 97% of water on the earth is in seas. So we will convert this seawater by using two methods, evaporation and condensation for filtering it. Here is a seawater container. In this we will pour seawater which will be pumped in this container. Here is an immersion rod which will heat up the bottle, which will heat up the water, and after getting heated up we know that water gets converted into its gaseous form and will rise up. The water vapors will rise up from this channel and will get stuck here because here is a wall like loop. So after coming from here, water vapors will stuck here. After getting condensed, these water vapors will be converted into water droplets, and here's the filter paper which will filter the water vapors, and the water vapors after getting converted into water droplets will be poured here. Now this is the filtered water. As we know that seawater is now converted into filtered water, from here we can attach a pipe to our household tanks and then we can use this water in our household works. Now my friend Sahil Singh is going to tell you the other components of this.
We use soil moisture sensor and connect it to controller, and then it connect to the Arduino Uno. After that we use the relay and connect it to the water pump. After that we use the battery to give power for the water pump, and then we use the breadboard for providing more connection for Arduino Uno. After that we use the batteries to give the connection for Arduino Uno and power supply. We use the jumper wire for connection and use some copper wires, and after that we use 3 bottles and 2 pipes. For the circuit, my friend Daksh Mahar will explain you.
Okay. So here we have used a soil moisture sensor which will sense the presence of water around it. When it will sense the absence of water, it will send a signal to Arduino to start the pump. The pump will fetch water from this container and pour water into this container. When the water is filled to that sensor, it will sense the presence of water and tell the pump to stop. Now then we will start this heating coil and the water will evaporate slowly and will turn into pure water in this container. Now we will show you the working of this project.
We have poured some seawater in this container.
Now we will start this Arduino Uno. And the pump is started.
Now this container is filling up, as we can see through this transparent pipe. Now we will start the immersion rod from here. Then this water will be heated up and water vapors will transfer from this pipe to this bottle. Now as you can see, here are some water vapors on this bottle. This water vapors will be converted into pure water.